Before you buy from Hong Kong Yuzhou Information Technology Co., Limited, there are some important things you need to know. In this video, we'll be diving into 7 key points that can help you make an informed decision. Stick around till the end because we'll share how you can try out the product for free and get the best deal possible. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the company's reputation. Hong Kong Yuzhou Information Technology Co., Limited is one of the more established names in the tech space. They're known for delivering robust and high-quality products, especially when compared to other players in the market. However, like with any company, there are mixed reviews, so it's important to weigh both the positive and negative feedback. Their customer support, for instance, while competent, isn't always praised for its responsiveness. So, if you're someone who needs immediate help, you might want to factor that in before making a decision. Next thing to consider is the range of products they offer. Unlike some competitors that focus on one niche, Hong Kong Yuzhou Information Technology Co., Limited has a broader portfolio, which includes software and hardware solutions designed for businesses in various industries. This could be a big advantage if you're looking for a one-stop shop for your tech needs. That said, you should also compare their offerings with others to ensure they provide exactly what you're looking for at the right price. The third thing you need to know is the pricing structure. When comparing their prices to other companies, Hong Kong Yuzhou Information Technology Co., Limited is generally competitive, but they aren't necessarily the cheapest option on the market. However, considering the quality and reliability of their products, they offer decent value for the price. The real kicker is that they offer flexible payment plans, which might be a huge benefit if you're looking to spread out your costs over time. Moving on, let's talk about the product performance. In my experience with the product, I found it to be reliable and functional, but it doesn't always match the high-end performance of some of its more expensive competitors. If you're after cutting-edge features, some of their offerings may feel a bit behind in comparison. However, for the price point, the performance is solid and should meet the needs of most businesses. The fifth thing to be aware of is their security standards. If you're looking for top-tier security, you might find Hong Kong Yuzhou Information Technology Co., Limited's products to be somewhat standard. While their products use encryption and basic security protocols, other companies might offer more advanced or customizable options for security-conscious businesses. Still, they have a reliable track record and have taken steps to enhance security in their products over time. Next thing to keep in mind is customer support. As I mentioned earlier, support is not always as quick as you might want. However, they do offer online resources, including guides and tutorials, which can help troubleshoot common issues. Some customers have pointed out that response times could be faster, so if you anticipate needing frequent assistance, this could be something to keep in mind. The seventh thing you should know before buying is their warranty and return policies. When compared to competitors, Hong Kong Yuzhou Information Technology Co., Limited offers a standard warranty, but it might not be as comprehensive as some of the bigger names in the industry. If you're the type who likes to have peace of mind with extended warranties or easy returns, you might want to consider other options. Now, if you're still on the fence, let me tell you how you can get the best deal on their product. If you click the first link in the description, you'll be able to try out Hong Kong Yuzhou Information Technology Co., Limited's product for free and get access to exclusive benefits that other buyers miss out on. So, make sure to check that link below before making your final decision. Remember, Hong Kong Yuzhou Information Technology Co., Limited offers a great product, but just like with any company, it's important to do your research and make sure it fits your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the link for the best offer.